How to change your Battle.net account username. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Battle.net account username easily. Now, first what you want to do is head into your browser, any browser that you like, and then search in for Battle.net. Just simply search in for Battle.net and various links will appear here as you can see on the screen. Head into the first link here, official Battle.net link. Once you head onto it, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Let it load up here. Now here you can see the account is logged in here. You'll get an interface like this, and on the top right corner of your screen you can see my username right here. Make sure to log into your account first, and once you log in you'll get an interface like this, and then tap on the username option or account, hover around the username at the top right corner and then head into account settings. Simply click on account settings and you'll be headed to this page right here. Simply head into account details now and scroll down below until you find the option Battle Tag. Here this name is your public identity in Blizzard games and stuff. Click on the update option here, and here you can see you only get one free battle tag change. You can change it once for free, but once you change it then you'll have to pay up to change it again. Simply select your username here, and once you do it simply click on change your battle tag and your battle tag will be changed. You can see your battle tag has been updated here. So this way you can change your Battle.net username. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.